Welcome back to Trading Hour on CNBC-TV18. As of now, markets are managing to hold on to that gain. Nifty 24,670 levels, inching towards 24,700. So keeping an eye out on that. But what's happening in the world of F&O? What are we watching out for there? What are the cues there? We have Mangalam joining in with us for that. Good morning, Mangalam.
Good morning. So, if you look at the way the markets have been progressing all through today's trading session, after a big cut that we saw on Friday, the Nifty ended below the 24,600 mark. There is a bit of a bounce back, an attempt at a bounce back and consolidation taking place from lower levels and from oversold levels as well. So, both the Nifty as well as the sensex are doing well. The broader markets tell you that the advance decline ratio has, more in the favor of advances than declines. Portfolios are feeling slightly better. And this despite the underperformance coming in from the Nifty bank. So if you look at the sectoral indices, the indices that are contributing to the way up, we have, the Nifty Auto as well as the Metals Index, which is doing well. The Nifty Bank is a slight underperformer, though it's moving off the lows and mildly into the green as we speak as well. But importantly, remember, metals and autos are fairly volatile sectors. And with that outperforming in today's trading session, the up move is also coupled with the India VIX rising. Remember, the India VIX, when the market was, rising earlier, fell all the way up to 10, and thereafter we saw a sharp spike above 12. And now, between the last two trading sessions, the India VIX has moved back to levels above 12, 12.26 to be very precise. So that's something we'll have to watch out for as we move ahead. With the volatility index rising and the market trying to stabilize in this range, what are the option writers playing for? 24,600 put writers. They're fairly active. Early days in the August series, FIs are 91% net short. So 24,600 put writers, fairly active in today's trading session. Premium of almost 100 rupees. On the way up, 24,650 call and the 24,700 call writers, both of them fairly active as well. Premium for both of them between 130 to 150 rupees. You add that to the current spot price on the Nifty, you get a range, a beautiful range that the option writers are looking at. They are expecting support for the frontline index around the 24,500 mark, 24,500 to 24,550. But at the same time, on the way up, around 24,800 to 24,850 could be a bit of resistance. And that's what the street is playing for as a range from an option standpoint. If you want to broaden that out, then maybe look at the technical range. 24,388 with 100-day moving averages on the Nifty, and on the way up 25,075 with the 20-day moving averages. In fact, between 25,050 and 25,075 is both the 20 as well as the 50-day moving average on the Nifty. So keep an eye out on that one. Watching out for a couple of stocks. UPL, remember the stock was lower after results on Friday. A lot of shorts entered the system. But now the stock is seeing those shorts unwinding their positions, and that stock has moved higher as well. And finally, we have Delivery. Good numbers coming in. The street was surprised positively, and longs are adding on to that as the stock moves to the high point of trade in early trade today.
Delivery, indeed. Fresh long position seen there. Mangalam